Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. The topic is a numerical solution of A2 level, and I'm discussing June 1831 variant and question number 8. Okay. And what the first plan is here, he given us here, and he said that A is a positive constant such that we have given this condition and show A satisfies this equation. So we have to solve such a manner that we need this kind of equation. So let's start. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Part number I am starting. So 0 to A, x e to power half x dx is equal to 2. Now, according to the property I taught already late, LATE late, I taught already. So L for logarithm, A for algebra, T for trigonometry, E for exponential. So this is a V and this is U. Clear. So I think very clear, this is a V and this is U because algebra come in the middle, exponential come at the top. So clear idea. So let's apply the plan. So first of all, apply. So integration. So x first function copy, integration of the second v function minus a big sign of integration mean I do again integration of the v I will write here. Dx must write times to derivative of u. It means x. So I'm writing x and this dx is compulsory. Why? This dx belongs to this big inside, big sign. Okay. So let's start and equals to 2. Which 2? This 2 given by examiner. Okay. So
Minus half.
x, thank you very much. Okay. This is a minus half. Okay. 0 to a. All right. Clear. Minus half. Thank you very much. I missed one thing. Thank you very much. Minus half. Let's continue now. So what is a rule of integration? All of you know it. First, you keep as it is, and divided by powers derivative. Okay. And minus, again, this whole thing copy paste here, or you integrate, no problem, same thing. So first copy whole thing and divide by negative half. Times to x derivative, which is a 1, we all of you know it, and dx must, this dx comes here, equal to 2. Everything is perfect. And all of you know if fraction comes in fraction, like a 1 over 1 by 2, so it turned to be 2. So all of you know if I have negative signs, it become negative 2. So simple. So it means I will not waste my time and I will write this as a fraction, but negative 2. So negative 2 x, and this is a negative half power. Okay, let me write first as it is, then I change the plan. Okay, minus. And what about this? Again, this minus 2 comes out and 1 minus already there, minus minus plus. So I got this. Dx equals to 2. So this part, I think very, very clear. And now let's continue this one, e to power negative half x plus 2. And what is integration? All of it familiar. So first keep as it is without any change, divided by powers derivative and equals to 2. Now same time, because all integration done, I will put limits. What limit we have? 0 to a. So lower limit is 0, upper limit is a. So I can do split like both parts separate 0 to a. I can do together even, but I can make it separate. Better is easy for me. Okay, let me go on the right hand side and let's try to solve the other part. And let me make this diagram smaller. Okay, so I can show you the easily working. Come back. Now, what is method? Our target is, let me write my target. Sometime, target is hard to attain. So best way, well, let me write target. The target is what to attain is a is equals to 2 times to logarithm a plus 2. This is my target to attain. Okay, so I just stop here. Okay, and first of all, let's see how we can get it. Inshallah, come back. So first of all, this you can see that there is a okay. First of all, I just simplify. You know that this negative 2 I can bring out. This negative half I can bring out. I can show you on the top there. So let's see. Negative 2 out. Inside I got x and e to power half x I bring in denominator, and 0 to a is the limit. Further, you can see that this minus 2 minus half, it came out. This out become 2, already become 4. So I'm writing negative 4 here. And limit is 1 over e to power half x, and limit is 0 to a and equals to 2. Now I'm close because maximum simplification will help you a lot. Put upper limit. What's the criteria? Put a here and here, and I got a over e to power half a. And when I put zero here, zero, so become full zero. So don't waste time in calculating. So when I put a here, it turned to be upper limit 1 over e to power half a. When I put lower limit, it becomes 0 into half 0, and something to power 0 is 1. So e to power 0 also 1. I'm writing 1 by 1, so no issue at all. All right, and now let's see now how we can continue. Our target is here. Okay, so first of all, simplify. All right, so minus 2a upon e to power half a. And here minus 4 upon e to power half a. And minus 4 into minus 1 become plus 4 equals to 2. All right, now this, I think I can focus now. This is a take LCM of these two, or I can bring both value negative on the right hand side and this 2 on the left hand side. When I 4 minus 2, I get 2 here, and rest both values I'm bringing on other side, and same time I take LCM, e to power half a, and negative 2 become positive, sorry, it is become positive, 2a plus 4. Now gradually you can see that we are approaching our answer. First of all, this will multiply. Okay, if you confuse what to do, I think you can see that, take this equation and do reverse process. This 2 multiplying will divide down, I got a half a. You can see that half a is matching. Which half a? This power matching. Okay, so first of all, I think I taught in detail to you, whenever any number you want to write a logarithm form, so L times to 1, and this one you can write by ln e, and 6 can go in the power, so it becomes ln e to power 6. So this number I can write in ln form. I can show you that you can understand easily. So let's see. So I can write it here. What is the what special form? Look at, I show you, then you can realize easily is ln e to power half a, and ln a plus 2. Ln cancel, e to power half a is equal to a plus 2. Now I try to approach my target. This achieved? Yes, achieved. Where is a plus 2? Oh, I can take common out. Take common out, take common out. I got a plus 2, and e to power half will go on the other end, e to power half a into 2. This is a multiply sign, sorry. And this 2 will cancel. Why? It goes down and divide. So you got e to power half a equal to a plus 2. If you look at carefully, perfectly match. The perfectly match. So from here, I will go backward to get this target. So it means I will not show this working to examiner. Okay. So, and now what to do? Common sense, if I'm here, I want to go back. So take logarithm on both ends. So take log. I take left hand side, I got ln e to power half a. I got logarithm of right side, a plus 2. Okay, this value comes down and it becomes e to power half, sorry, half a times to logarithm e is equal to log of a plus 2. Okay, this ln is 1, you know, gone away, half a logarithm of a plus 2. Okay, now this 2 multiply and I have achieved my target. Look, at perfectly matching. So I will rub everything. I will rub everything, and no need to show to examiner. Okay, and but you have seen the working, how I handle the question and how cleverly I got my target. Sometimes it's very hard to get a target. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. After this, you can write that I have attained my target because these 2 multiplied there, and I have proved my target. So proved. So A part is completely finished. So let's go for part number 2 of the question, June 18. Okay, part number 2, we have what? He's saying by verify by calculation, A lies between 3 and 3.5. So whenever he gives this kind of thing, what you will do, you will, this equation you will copy here with f of a, with f of a. So what does f of a come? Let's say here we have when we have a, for example, t involved, like t is equal to 2 times logarithm t plus 2. Then I will write what here? F of t. I will write in the bracket f of t. So it means what is the function involved here, variable involved, I will use same function here in the bracket. Now you ask, sir, you make a given function name, what to do? Now you have two chances, either bring t on this end, okay, it means you write here 2 logarithm t plus 2 minus t, 100% correct. But one student says, sir, no sir, I don't want to bring on this side, I want to bring it this side. So if you write this way, f of, oh, sorry, this is not f of a, sorry, I have to copy the other thing, I have to copy the other thing, is a rough example only, I took example by mistake. Come back here. So I have two chances, either bring, because I have a is equal to 2 times to logarithm a plus 2. So either bring this full on this side or this bring a on other end. Both are okay. So I'm bringing a on the other end. But let me tell you one thing. Like this is writing style perfect, okay? But if you say, no, sir, I want to write another way. I want to bring this right side on the left side. So it turned to be a minus 2 logarithm a plus 2. So write this style or write this style. Both are 100% correct, and you will get a full marks and you get a full correct answer. Now I'm choosing the top one. Okay. After bringing one side away, I'm doing, you will put 1 by 1, 3 and 3.5 in the place of A. And make sure convert your calculator must be in radian. Here, not a big trouble because logarithm. But when sine cos tan comes, then it has effect. Then it has effect. Like sine cos tan comes, so radian and degree can affect. But now, but make sure in full chapter of numerical solution, you will convert, keep your calculator in radians. I put first because check 3 and 3.5. So one time I'm putting 3. So when I put in 3, let's see what was going to be happen now. Okay, let me type for you in calculator. So 2 times 2 logarithm 5 because 3, okay, and minus 3. It is giving me positive 0.2188. A value is not a matter. Only matter what we are concerned with the sign only. Okay, wait a minute, please. And now I put f of other number. What other number? 3.5. I'm going to put 3 first and now 3.5 in a whole equation. And before I put inside and before I get answer, I tell you, if the sign changes, what is sign here come positive? If here negative sign comes, it means root lies between these two values. So let's start. I am putting here now 3.5. 3.5 when I type it, 3.5 means this is 5.5. So I got the answer negative 0.091. So you can write a sentence as sign changes. This sentence you must write. So, and write this sentence now. A satisfies this equation. Sorry. Below. A lies between this one. So A lies between 3 and 3.5. So this is a basic way to prove it. Now you ask, sir, what is the reason we are not understanding? For example, this is equation of curve. Example. Okay, here 1 and here 2. Here x1, here x is 2. For example, you know what root means? Root means where line cut the x-axis. For example, this curve cut the x 2 spots. One root here, one root here. Okay. For example, now if this, for example, when to put, I got a positive answer. Look, and when I put 1, I got a negative answer. So if one answer come positive and one answer come negative, it means the some part of curve is above x-axis and one part of curve below. It means understood that curve is 100% intersecting x-axis, which verify that the root is lies between these two numbers. You see? So it means I can say that root lies between 3 and 3.5. It means between 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3 and 3.5 is in the middle. Curve is cutting somewhere in the middle. We don't know exactly where, but it is cutting in the middle. This is the whole story. I think clear. Part number last, third part. Third part I'm going to do now. Read. Use an iteration based equation in a part number I. Now part number I is here. We have to make equation. Okay. And if you want to know, sir, what kind of this, can you see down this another question? This kind of equation is called, he's calling iterative base equation. So this kind of pattern, you can see that. I can show you again. There are two equations given here below another question. So you can see left hand side is given n plus 1, and the right hand side given n only. So this is called what is this sentence he used here? Use iterative base equation in part number 1 and determine a value 2 place final answer, but each result give me 4 dp. So let's start. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. What method I will use to do this kind of question? I have a simple technique. A is equals to 2 logarithm a plus 2. You will do simple one job. What job you'll do? Right hand side in the variable in the put and under it. This is called subscript. The power top is called superscript, down is called subscript. Top right is called superscript. Below is called subscript. So I will write subscript. It means I will write under n here, and here n plus 1. Repeat my words. Left hand side you will put n plus 1 always, and right hand side how many a's? You will put a or n only. You can see even here n plus 1 and n here. So this is equation you will make. Sometime he will give you and you will make here yourself. Now he said now use it. And now problem is that sometime I show you, sometime he given in, look here in this below question, he given us here initial value. Sometime initial value he will give us, which I will put here right hand side, but sometime not given. If initial value not given, then you will take average of these two numbers. So let's take so initial value is coming what? Let me find for you. So initial value 3 plus 3.5 divided by 2 becomes 3.25. This is called A1, and you have to give A1 compulsory. Now let's start calculation. Now I think I need a space to write. So concentrate please here. Okay, Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. First of all, in the upper equation, I will replace, put every value n by 1. So when I put 1 here and 1 here, so left hand side 1 plus 1 give you 2. So I will get A2. And right hand side I will get A1 plus 2. I'm sure you're understanding. I replace n by 1. I got A1. I put n here 1, I got A2. Okay. And A2 is equals to 2 times 2 logarithm. A1 value is 3.35. So this will substitute here. And let me substitute 3.25 plus 2. So this is my answer of A2. And he said us give 4 dp answer. So let me calculate 2 times 2 logarithm 3.25 plus 2. And the answer is coming. So 3.31645 become 5. 4 dp's I wrote it. Okay. Now first I put n1. Now I'm putting n2. Get ready please. I'm putting n2 now. Okay. When I put 2 where again in a top equation. So when I put 2 here, it become A2. When I put 2 here, 2 plus 1 become 3. So I'm getting A3 is equals to 2 times 2 logarithm A2 plus 2. Now this A2 value will come here. Alhamdulillah, Rabbil Alameen. So when I put it here, let's see what answer comes. 3.3165 plus 2. You know, he said, look at here. He says, show your result each iteration. Give your result of each. Like you have to show working and what I am showing. So let's start. And let me calculate. So 2 times 2 logarithm 3.3165. Okay, and the plus 2 is also there. Yes, plus 2 also there. And answer is coming with us is 3.3416. This is my A3 answer. Now you have one general question. Sir, we done iteration number 1, iteration number 2. You can answer how many iterations you have to go. Look at here. We have to give answer 2 dp. Look at here. What is this answer? 3.25. Okay, this is 3. Check the two numbers. This one 2.5 here, 3.1 here, 3.4. Now when they start meeting, when they start matching, we have to stop same time. Okay, so let's see now. I'm going to do in the middle. I need a space here. So first I put n1 and 2. Now I'm putting n3. So let's start. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. So when I put 3 here, I got a 4. I'm doing now 4 directly. and 2 times 2 logarithm, I'm writing here a3 plus 2, and this a3 will go here. Okay, so 2 times 2 logarithm 3.3416 plus 2, and let's see what answer a4 comes. So let me replace, I'm replacing 3416. My answer is coming here 3.35. So look at here. Now 3.35 is matching now, like going close. First 2.25, 0.31, 0.34, 0.35. I think so. Last iteration I'm going to do now. Inshallah, answer will match. So and 4, when I put 4 there, 4 where and here. So what happens then? I get a5 equal to 2 times to logarithm a4 plus 2. So I hope so. This is my probably last step, and inshallah question going to complete. And sorry, I have to write not 3.510. I missed actually. We are 1 1. Yeah, I have to write 3.4 dp. Sorry, 3.3511. Okay, and plus 2. And let me check what answer comes now. If I replace here 3 5 and 1 1, so answer is coming sharp what I'm demanding for. So answer coming 3.35354, and mabruk alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. You can see that my answer is repeating now, and when you feel it is stopped repeating, so we can just a minute please, let me check again if it is moving forward or not. Yes. And if I check it one more step, you can see that after 3 5, this 1 and this 4, so this number growing. So if I grow and next step a6, I checked, I got 3.355, which round and give me a answer 3.36. This is my final answer, because if I round it, I get my answer. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, and question completely finished.